All right. All right. Still nothing. All right, guys, I got a 2007 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. The AC stopped blowing, so we're gonna go ahead and test the transistor to see if it's good or bad. Let's go. All right, guys, so the tools needed for this job are going to be a multimeter and some needle nose pliers, or any needle nose pliers that you got laying around. All right, let's get to it. First thing you want to do is come to the passenger, and we're gonna test the transistor. All you need is a multimeter. To do this, just let's put that bad boy to ohms, so we can do it. So give me a minute. Before we do that, you come to the bottom of the passenger side, and there's this cover right here. Stick your finger about right in there and pull down, and just pull straight down. Same thing over here, and it just unhooks right there. And then you could just pull it out, put it down, leave it right there. And our transistor is right there. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect it. Let's see if I can do this on camera. All right, so all it is, all it is just a push button. You just push it and pop it out. So your transistor is right there. So we're gonna ohm out the two bottom terminals, and you should read anywhere from 1400 to 1500. And if it's in that range, it's good. If it's out of that range, it's bad. So let me get my multimeter and let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set this to 200K ohms. So let me show you that. Ohms right there. Looks like a little horseshoe. And let's go ahead and test this. Untangle this real quick. All right, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me because I'm one-handed, but let me pop these off. We're gonna go ahead and touch the two bottom terminals, and I'll be right back. Show you what that looks like. All right, so I'm touching both bottom terminals, and I'm getting 1.48. So that's about in range. So my transistor is working. We're gonna move on to the next thing, why my AC isn't blowing. Let's go ahead, let's do it. All right, so now we're gonna test the diode on the transistor to make sure that it's working and is in good working order. So we wanna put our multimeter to this little arrow thingy that's for a diode to test it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the red one on the left side closest to the passenger. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. And then the black one's gonna go right underneath. So let's see if I can do that with one hand. It's pretty hard with only one hand available. Let me see if I can put it in and then show you. Give me 1 minute. All right, so you're gonna put one, let me see where it's at. So you're gonna put the black one on the bottom, closest to the passenger side, and then you're gonna put this red one on the top, closest to the passenger side, top terminals. And let me see if I can get it. And you should get a reading from 0.4 to 0.7. Anywhere in that range is good. Trying to do it one hand. Sorry, guys. So I got 0.4. And as long as you get anywhere from 0.4 to 0.7, you're good. But if you get a OL, which is open, that means that your transistor is bad. I mean, the diode is bad, so you're gonna have to replace it. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this back on. So all you gotta do is put one of them. First, let's reconnect this, because it's not a good thing if you forget it. Because then you're gonna say, what's going on with my AC? Oh, come on. Go home. You're too good for your home? I guess this thing's too good for its home. All right, boom. Got that in. So all you gotta do is put this little nub and that little nub. One goes right there in that little circle, right there. And then the other one goes in that little circle. And then these clips right here, not clips, but these little indents is where you just push up. So see if I can get that going. So one there. And where's that other one? Right there. Make sure they're in. Yep, and then all you gotta do is just give it a whack. Give it a whack. Thanks, Pa. You can have it if you want. So, all right. Let's move on. All right, so the next thing you wanna do is come over to your driver's side. Pop open your fuse box just by pushing both tabs on both sides. And then you flip it around. And it, see if I could show you. It shows you everything that you need to see. What we're looking for is that snowflake right there. That's gonna be your relay. So we're gonna check that. The way we're gonna check it, it's this one right there. So the way we're gonna check it is we're just gonna swap this one with one of these two. Preferably the cooling fan, which is this one, according to the instructions right here. So according to the panel, sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and switch out the cooling fan relay with the frosting relay, which is your AC, not the frosting, the snowflake, sorry. So let's go ahead and switch those out and see if it starts blowing. Give me a minute. I'm gonna go grab some needle nose to pull it out. All right, so I got me some needle nose. Pull this bad boy out. Just remember where you're putting the good one. We're gonna come over here to the snowflake. Pull that one out. We're gonna put that back here, just to keep them separate. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in its place.
I want that.
What do you want?
That.
All right, here, you can have those. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go see if we got AC. All right, let's check if we got some AC. All right, where did I leave that key? It's in my pocket. Sorry. All right, so let's see if we have some good old AC. All right, so that means it's our relay, not our blower motor, and not our transistor. So good news is it's just the relay, which is pretty cheap. So at the auto parts store, I'll get a relay and fix my issue. But in the meantime, what we're gonna do is put back everything, just so we don't forget to put our cooling fan relay back in, and then we'll put the bad relay right here, back where the snowflake picture is. Show you one more time. See if I can, right there. See the snowflake right there? That's the relay we're changing. If you take this box off and you put it right next to it, it's gonna tell you where everything is. So that's what I did. All I did was I took it off like this, and that's the exact same location that everything is in your fuse box here. So now you know how to check to see what your issue is on your Honda, and how to figure out what's going on with your AC. So I hope you guys learned something. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.